All right, so here we got the new to me 2001 Honda Prelude. I'm practicing wrapping because, like I said, I want to wrap the Prelude. Not going to share what color yet. It's not getting wrapped in black. I just had some left over. So I just wanted to shoot a quick video to show you why clay barring a car is very important. Not only for vinyl wrapping, because you definitely want to clay bar before that, but it removes what I like to call the invisible debris, basically contaminants on the surface, invisible debris. Now, I'm recording through my iPhone. The audio is through the iPhone. I'm pretty confident you're gonna be able to hear this. Now, if you look at this, we're just gonna focus from maybe here to here. I'm just gonna move a little bit. Got the garage open, that's the only light you can see. Visually, it looks clean, right? But I clay barred over here a couple days ago, and I did not clay bar over here. Listen to this, are you ready? I am not amplifying the audio. I will talk while I do this. Ready? Listen to me talk as I do this. Do you hear how it gets louder? Over here, when I go over here, it's like a glass shine versus over here. Shiny. Smooth like glass, you know what I'm saying? This is smooth. Versus, hear that? So that's why you want to clay bar your car. It doesn't look that different. You know, the sun's coming from over there from outside. So it's gonna look a little shinier here. So just a quick little tip and video of why you want to clay bar your car. Because I washed this the day I got it, and I'm like, this looks amazing. The paint looks beautiful. For a 23-year-old car, this looks really nice. But then I'm like, hear that? Versus over here. So that's why you want to clay bar a car. That's it, short video. If you're interested in seeing more on the Prelude, my attempt at wrapping this, as well as content on the S2000 with these wheels, which are going to be available pretty soon at Driven District. These are aero forged wheels, 100% fully forged wheels. We're just working on getting the center caps fitted, as well as the Integra Type S that just got these brand new wheels put on. These are SSR wheels, gunmetal blue. I think they look really, really nice with the liquid carbon metallic paint. So yeah, if you're interested in more content on all these cars, consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.